Okay, more maintenance of the X700 laser. According to Redsail, this is the power supply in the machine. Looks like that. That's the AC in, and here the machine will use G, which is ground, and 5 volts, and the DC for the motor out. And then there's this pin called 24 volts, but it's not connected on the connector. So, since it's not connected, we also don't have these connection pins. So I'm now filming this as a reference so I can know what to get. Should be possible to find something like that. Okay, and just to clarify that, this is the new probe that we were given from Redsail. The thing with these is that they have an inductive probe using 3 wires instead of the one we had that only had 2 wires, which just takes a short. This one is using an inductive sensor inside the housing here. You can actually unscrew it like that. Oh yeah, you need to completely unscrew it to get it out. But anyway, it's just an inductive sensor. So we need to feed it 24 volts.